The search for life beyond Earth has long intrigued scientists and the public alike. Many believe that if extraterrestrial life does exist, it may have evolved and emerged in numerous places across the universe. Some theories suggest that extraterrestrial life might share a common origin that was subsequently dispersed throughout the cosmos, with most finding refuge on planets. If we were to discover life beyond Earth, it could either be far more advanced than us or still in its primitive stages. Throughout humanity's quest for extraterrestrial life, scientists have encountered mysterious signals from the universe that many believe could be indications of alien civilizations. In today's video, invites viewers to explore these enigmatic signals suspected of being from extraterrestrial beings. To see what they are you ready? Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. The belief in life beyond Earth likely existed since the times of the ancient Babylonian and Egyptian civilizations, despite being deemed supernatural and associated with gods or demons. These societies pondered the cosmic origins of life. The first Western thinkers to theorize about this were Tabbys and the students in the 6th and 5th centuries, who postulated that the universe, filled with planets, might harbor life beyond Earth. As Christianity spread across Europe, the faithful did not speak of extraterrestrials, but they believed that God could have created more than one Earth, suggesting that our planet was not unique. Rather, they were Earth-like planets created by God. The belief in extraterrestrial life continued well into the 20th century, where, 3 centuries after the scientific and technological revolution, modern humans began to understand the nature of the solar system. Many astronomers, theorists, and the general public believed in the existence of extraterrestrial beings. However, this belief slowed after explorations of the Moon, Venus, Mars, and later, the larger moons of the solar system, which were prime candidates for extraterrestrial life, but showed no signs of it, at least not of alien civilizations. With the solar system ruled out as the search area for extraterrestrial life, scientists turned their telescopes to the cosmos, looking for signals from alien beings. Many believe that somewhere in the distant universe, civilizations might be using radio technologies like ours, giving humans a chance to catch those mysterious signals. Below are some of the most notable signals suspected of being from aliens. An enigmatic object 4.0 light years from Earth in 2020. A strange radio signal was detected, named King Shippo 715 Tom. Observations showed it released the amount of energy 3 times an hour. Dr. Natasha Walker, an astrophysicist, said, "I broke out in a cold sweat, needing a worldwide research effort to search for the repetition of the signal at a unique frequency." She suggested that this could be a breakthrough in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The signal's brightness was so alarming that she worried it might be aliens. The signal's appearance, 4.0 light years from Earth, was completely unexpected. Scientists believe that no natural object could send such a strange signal. Analysis suggested it was too slow to be a pulsar, and too bright to be a star. Later analyses suggested that the signal could be from a neutron star or next dwarf with an extremely strong magnetic field, also known as a magnetar, rotating in space and emitting a beam of radiation every 20 minutes. Possibly the most reasonable explanation for the mysterious signal 4.0 light years away. The interstellar object Oumuamua saw on October 19, 2017. Astronomers detected an enigmatic object intruded into the solar system, initially named C-2017-1. It was later identified as Oumuamua. At the time of discovery, it was flying about 0.2 astronomical units from Earth, equivalent to 30 million km. Researchers initially questioned its nature, with some suggesting it was not natural due to its cigar-like shape. Few characteristics common to comets or asteroids, and a highly reflective surface, leading many to speculate it was metallic and polished. Furthermore, Oumuamua accelerated at an unusual speed when it passed the Sun, which further fueled the belief that it might not be natural, possibly an alien spacecraft. Scientists believed if Oumuamua was a comet, the sun's radiation would vaporize the icy gases on its surface, potentially causing explosions. However, these gases were not found on Oumuamua. Avi Loeb, an astrophysicist at Harvard University, who has made breakthroughs in studies of black holes in the early universe, boldly theorized that Oumuamua was a light sail left by a possibly extinct civilization in the galaxy. He was unapologetic about his view that Oumuamua was an alien spacecraft. Oumuamua is a small object in space, estimated to be 100 to 1.0 mi long and 35 to 167 thick, with a reddish color similar to objects outside the solar system. Yet, when it approached the sun, it did not exhibit cometary behavior. Additionally, it demonstrated a non-gravitational acceleration, possibly caused by gas emissions or solar radiation pressure. This led to the hypothesis by the scientists that Oumuamua could be an interstellar object like a comet or asteroid, contradicting Avi Loeb's suggestion of an alien spacecraft. Oumuamua was estimated to be from the direction of the bright star Vega in the Lyra constellation, moving in a trajectory that was inclined by about 6 degrees from the solar apex. Since its discovery, scientists had about 80 days to continuously monitor and observe its trajectory. Ultimately, they concluded that Oumuamua was not an alien spacecraft, but a natural interstellar object similar to others later discovered, like the interstellar comet Borisov. What do you think about Oumuamua? Could it be something else? Feel free to leave your opinions in the comments section to share with everyone. And calc 8,462,852 Tabbys Star in 2015. A significant scientific debate erupted when astronomers detected unusual brightness fluctuations from the most enigmatic star in the sky, named 8,462,852 or Tabbys Star, located in the direction of the Cygnus constellation, about 1.470 light-years from Earth. It has an apparent magnitude of 11.7, making it difficult to observe with the naked eye, but it can be seen with small telescopes. Upon analyzing the star's luminosity, scientists noticed highly irregular fluctuations in brightness. The star's brightness could decrease by up to 22% over several months. The unusual dimming of the star put scientists into a heated debate, as they explained what could cause such a drastic reduction in brightness. It's certain due to planetary systems, as they could only account for a few percent dimming. This unusual behavior led to various hypotheses. Some asserted that the star's dimming was evidence of the existence of the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megasphere built by advanced civilizations to harness the energy of the star. This theory gained so much traction that over 1,700 people contributed more than $100 through a Kickstarter campaign to fund a dedicated ground-based telescope to observe or collect additional data on the star. Many hoped the project would reveal mysterious superstructures of extraterrestrial beings. Dyson sphere is a speculative concept by physicist and mathematician Freeman Dyson, who proposed that advanced civilizations would eventually need to harvest the star's energy, constructing a megastructure close it. However, Dyson's proposal didn't detail how such a structure could be built. It focused on the energy harvesting aspect. If such structures exist in the universe, it would be identified by unusual spectral emissions from the star. Because of this theory, many believe Tabbys Star was encased by an alien Dyson sphere. Once the Kickstarter-funded project was underway, scientists used the funds for additional observations and analysis of the star. The result was a new data set collected from 2015 to 2017. After thorough analysis, researchers submitted a new study that debunked the idea that the star's astonishing dimming was caused by aliens. Observations across X-ray, ultraviolet, and infrared wavelengths showed the star dimming at all wavelengths, but at different rates, suggesting that large dust clouds passing between Earth and the star were the likely cause. By 2018, Dr. Tabbys Star, who discovered the star, and her colleagues from Louisiana State University, in collaboration with the LAS Jumeirah Observatory, also concluded that dust was responsible for the dimming, not alien superstructures. The WOW signal of 1977. On August 15, 1977, an odd narrow-band radio signal was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University, originating from the Sagittarius constellation. The signal bore characteristics that many thought could be from extraterrestrial beings. Astronomer Jerry Ammon discovered the anomaly a few days later after reviewing recorded data. He was so impressed with the results that he circled this signal 6 and wrote "wow" to express his astonishment. To this day, the signal is commonly referred to as the WOW signal. The entire signal lasted for 72 seconds, markedly different from Earth-made signals in natural celestial objects, leading to the possibility that it mysterious signal from aliens. Regrettably, the WOW signal was only recorded once, and it has not repeated since that date, which has led to lively debate about its origin. Even Dr. Ammon himself was skeptical because the signal was 30 times stronger than the cosmic microwave background radiation, making it exceedingly unusual compared to other signals. However, in 2017, a researcher discovered that the baffling signal that puzzled scientists for 40 years was likely just the trace of 2 comets that had passed by Earth on the night the WOW signal was detected. Professor Antonio Paris, an astronomer at St. Petersburg College in Florida, spent a year studying this peculiar signal using astronomical records. He found that 2 comets, previously unknown to scientists at the time, had crossed Earth's orbit on August 15, 1977, the night the WOW signal was detected. However, it wasn't until 2017, when the comets made an appearance again, that Professor Paris had the chance to record the signal. The final results showed that it closely matched the WOW signal. Despite his initial hope, Professor Paris admitted he was wrong. He explained that as comets approach the Sun, they create clouds of hydrogen gas that trail behind them and emit radiation that could produce the WOW signal. Although there have been scientific explanations for the WOW signal, many still do not believe it was a natural occurrence, but rather that it came from an advanced civilization somewhere in the cosmos. What are your thoughts on this matter? Share your opinions in the comment section to discuss with others. And with that, today's video comes to an end. I hope you found these moments enlightening and entertaining. Until next time, goodbye. And I look forward to seeing you in upcoming videos. Warm regards and farewell.